Okay, so we're driving the new 208 EV. Been borrowed it, thought giving a view on it, tell them what I think. And do you know what? It's really nice. It's smooth. It's comfortable. It's very, very quiet in here. Extremely quiet. And if you were tired, then I can't see how that's going to help. In all honesty, it'd probably make you fall asleep driving it. But it is quick. It is one quick little bugger. Tell you, these electric cars, petrol lags, but with these, put your foot down and it's woof, like warp speed. Absolutely bang silent, not a single whisper out of it. Sounds a bit like a train, which is nice. Get a relaxing noise, which is really good. But they're fantastic. The interior is really, really nice. It's dead comfy to drive. It's dead easy. And I say the instant power response, you put your foot down and it's that boomf, see you later job. Absolutely flies. Highly recommend getting one of these, even though it is a Peugeot.